Instructors may use the feedback activity to collect information from students, like their preferred methods of communication, to determine a topic for a final project, or maybe to receive feedback on aspects of the course. Let's look at this simple feedback poll to see how it works. Once we click on the poll, a description or directions may be included to explain how to answer the questions, whether or not the poll is anonymous, or other details the instructor wants to provide. We can begin answering the questions by clicking Answer the Questions. Please note that feedback activities can be organized with page breaks or one question per page, and they may have different types of questions compared to this example. This example has all of the questions on one page, and they are all multiple choice. I can click through with my answers for each question, and then click Submit Your Answers to complete the poll. If the instructor chose to allow respondents to view responses, that option will be provided on this end screen. A simple chart will populate showing response data. If you have any questions about a feedback activity, reach out to your instructor, and if it is a technical issue, feel free to reach out to the Office of Online and Distance Learning via the Help Desk.